Can we do vlogging and Inception right now?
Yes.
Okay. It is day 2. Our only full day here. And walking through Broadway. Going to the buses. We're going to Disney Springs today. Swimming later. And Descendants 3 is on tonight. So we're watching that at 8 o'clock tonight. Guys, we gotta go this way.
I don't know where we're going first.
We're shopping. And food. We gotta find a cookie. Having breakfast in the food court right now. There's my plate. We have some Mickey waffles. Sylveon, yeah, Evie.
Ability to chew.
Hey, there's our bus.
Yes.
Like 1 Eevee, 2 Eevee, 3. Now you have 3 Eevee.
And another one for Epcot. That's the third Epcot bus.
Hakuna Matata.
Hey.
Ow, my nipple.
Rude. There's our bus. Yay. And there's characters on some of the sides of them. Some are empty. I see a Coco one.
Oh, really?
That's so cool. They can see France from here. I saw the Eiffel Tower and the Epcot one. There you go. Wait. That's the Disney Skyliner. That's so cool to see it running. Like there's a Moana one. And Toy Story. Moana and Toy Story right next to each other. What's that one? Winnie the Pooh. So I don't have anything on them. That's just disappointing. I think that one's Little Mermaid. Oh, there's a Frozen one. And Peter Pan. So, and Princess and the Frog, I think. Isn't that cool, bro? It's brand new. It's opening in September. Oh, that is so cool. I don't know what that one is. Can I mention it? There's the Winnie the Pooh one again. Oh, 7 Dwarfs on that one. My story again. Here we are at Disney Springs. It's the fancy section over here. So, as far as I know, it's Coach. Yeah, it's fancy. Luxury of time. I'll have to look to see if there's any hidden Mickeys. There should be some. Look, I saw a balloon. That's a hidden Mickey.
I would imagine there's like a very cool Mickey ad that's like original Disney, like designs or something.
Yeah. This is the fancy area. You have to pee?
No.
Oh, I thought you said you have to go to the bathroom. Oh, Sephora. So, where do you want to go, bro? We're in the fancy section. I think we're in here. So, I just realized how loud the music is. We're currently in Uniqlo. Picked out a Lion King shirt with Simba and Nala says wild about you. It's a large for women's and men. Men can wear this too. But found one shirt for 15 bucks. This is a really cheap store. Normally shirts are over 20, so I'm liking Uniqlo or Uniqlo. I think it can be said either way. But I'm going back between Uniqlo and Uniqlo. There's more up here. You found anime and manga. You want a Rakugo shirt?
It's like the bully of the story, kind of.
I'll let you get a Rakugo shirt.
Wait, really?
If you want one,
Yes.
you can find one in your size.
I want a Bakugan one. Ow.
These all look like super tiny shirts. Man. We'll have to look. These are mainly Disney ones. Princess. Let's look for it. Or I'll have to go look back downstairs. Here. Rakugan. Here it is, Bryce. They're right here. Find one that fits you. I think this. Here. You want the black one?
Yeah.
Here. Let's find one that fits you. Those are small ones.
This one fits me.
I
Here.
kind of want.
Grab a 7 or an 8. That's the biggest one.
I kind of want a Lion King shirt.
No, they're all small.
I kind of want a.
They're all super small shirts.
I kind of want a Lion King shirt.
They're super small shirts. Oh.
Like all.
They're all super small, Bryce. We got 2 shirts from Uniqlo. Rocking by Harley Davidson and Levi's. And going to World of Disney. And hopefully we don't spend too much here. Because there's a lot. It's a giant store. I'm pretty sure it's the biggest one on property. And then the next one is the one in Japan. The Japan Pavilion in Epcot. World of Disney. If you guys have to pee, you guys go right there. Let's go in. Right, we're gonna go in World of Disney first, okay? Then we can go to Lego. Here we go. About to get lost. Food stuff. Here, you can grab your food stuff.
Let me guess. It smells.
I don't know if it smells.
Oh, let me see it. If it smells. I don't smell it.
Boy, pizza. I like those socks a lot.
Alright, well, but hands.
So, if we lose each other,
Smell this. It smells so good.
well, so if we end up losing each other, go out where we came in, okay? And wait outside. If you guys want, okay? Oh my gosh, all the food stuff. I'm in heaven right now. I love all this food stuff.
Am I in heaven?
Yeah, I love all the food stuff.
Am
Ah.
I in heaven?
Friend Star Wars. Yeah, he's moving. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's moving at the same time.
They're moving at the same time. I don't know how I did that.
Oh my gosh. I want the party to Merch. Thanks, favors. Look at little BB-8. Oh.
I have decided what I want.
Chewbacca? How much is Chewie?
I don't know.
Can you check? Do you want one of those for? I'll put it together for you. But they're $18 a piece.
Can you buy those ones on the internet?
I'm just doing stuff that I really want.
Okay.
Like really bad.
All this stuff. Oh my gosh. All the stuffies. I want to throw this.
But I just died.
Wow.
I just died.
Wow, these little sets. These are cute. Plushy heaven right now. You know, all the Mickeys and Minnies. I still don't like these ones. They're so little and so cute. $15 each.
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Be my
This-
friend.
Oh no! I like the summer dress one. That's cute. You not find anything you like yet, Brett? There's so many. Goodness. I see Lion King ones. Wait, you already got a plush. You got Pooh, I guess, right? What?
I'm gonna see CJ being really cute.
Wow. Here we go. We got Dante out 3K. Oh, baby. Got the Epcot ears, and there's a grape soda keychain down in there somewhere. So 4 things, lots of money. So cool. Yeah, it's so busy in here. It's always busy in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're checking out though. We're in the Lego store now. This is crazy too. Goodness. Now you go find the boys. There's one. Where's your brother? Oh, these are cool.
Oh, that is the locker.
Go on,
Yeah, it
there's
is.
monsters in the water.
Ah, run away.
That's a water dragon.
Yeah, sure.
That's not I'm not talking about the dragon.
Walking past T-Rex, which is cool. There's paddlefish, I think. Bird. Oh, that's cute.
Oh,
Yeah, there's lots of birds.
something just dived in the water.
Yeah. There's a lot of birds over here. Yeah.
Straight into rock.
Oh, pretty. I don't want them.
Oh, now that is trippy.
I know, right? Those are eye catchers.
Can I get one?
You have to get it for Mom. And it depends on how much they are. If they're like $50, we're not getting it. They're pretty, huh? I like the Minnie Mouse one.
How much are these?
One.
From $20 to $140. Cheapest is 20, then it goes to 35, and then it goes to 49, 55, and 65, and then the biggest ones are 140. That's 35.
The music's going good. Crossing across the bridge.
Volcano,
Yeah, volcano.
aka Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah, I love Rainforest Cafe, but we're not going. We went to the Lego store, we all love Disney, and Uniqlo. Now we just gotta walk around a little bit more, and don't know what we're gonna do anymore.
Hey, I
Yes.
think that you were expecting that to be longer. Were you?
Yeah. Ew, fishy. Got fishy smell. No.
Bye, Fake Gator.
Where are you going?
Look at that.
R2D2 is going around.
Look that way, RCD2. Where are you going? That way? I think he might be a vacuum.
Just doing tricks.
RTD2. Just unbox it.
Oh.
Here it goes. Hi, RCD2.
That storm is coming. We're gonna try to get out of here as fast as we can. Oh no. That thunder. Oh no. Oh, Stitch spits! Stitch! Stop spit! Aha, he spit on you. You got Stitch germs. Yeah. Oh no.
It didn't get on my clothes, it just got on my leg.
You got Bryce? Oh, I look like I'm about to pass out. It's been a long 2 hours. We're leaving Disney Springs.
Grace is so
It's-
lucky.
Yeah. It's only been about 2 hours and it's about to start pouring outside, so we left. It's only been about 2 hours. We got some little treats at All-Star Music. Unicorn cupcake. Look at his vanilla shake. He has a cookie. And chocolate ice cream. This cupcake It's filled with sprinkles. My hair is probably super gross and I smell a little. But when it's just up to my arm, I just smell myself and it's so gross. But heading back to the room right now. Lots of walking, lots of outside. Don't know if we're doing anything else today. But pools seem to be closed at the moment. It's very quiet. But hopefully later, we're gonna relax for a while now. You having fun with your lollipop?
Yeah. It was only a small one.
Yeah. Can you come closer so I can see your face? Ew. How nice. You look pretty. No. I want to record the noises that it's making. Don't stretch me. Hi guys! We are in Rainforest Cafe. It's very dark in here. Probably I think that's my gorilla buddy. I have a buddy. We're in a very back corner of the restaurant. But we're in Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, Animal Kingdom, because we were able to go inside of Rainforest Cafe without going into Animal Kingdom. So we're here. Just ordered 3 chocolate milks and I've got the Brazilian freeze because I think I remember getting that. It was good. So that's what I'm getting. And we're just gonna get chicken strips, which is on the appetizer menu. And that's pretty much all we're getting. Because we want to go to Chip and Dale's Campfire Sing-Along later. And it's in like an hour and a half. Thunderstorm.
I think like all of the animals are moving.
Alright.
I think like the volcano is like
Yeah.
I think the volcano is right there. Anyway.
Thunderstorm. No. In the rain.
Yeah, we do.
No.
You do.
So this kind of ruins our Chip and Dale's Campfire Sing-Along right now. It starts in less than an hour, so yeah.